All right, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. As you can see, we are pulling up to our location that we're going to be doing today, and this is carpet cleaning, of course. And so stick with me as we go ahead and do it. Now, if you like what you see, give us a like and subscribe, of course. Also, keep in mind too, as well. You're probably like, oh my gosh, you see all the videos with just you. Well, that's because I like to go out and do the work. It is Sunday, and my guys like to have off on the weekend, so hey, I'll come in and do the work. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so today we are doing the infant and toddler room. So right now I'm doing an inspection here. That's there, looks good. Here, inspection, see if we had to do anything different. Looks good. I want to do a prep, move all the toys and stuff then. Let's check our toddler room to see what we're getting into. Toddler 1 right here. Looks fine. 1, 2, 3. All right, so still got the same 4 rugs. We're going to go ahead and get this stuff done. Stay tuned. We also have to do a refill on our solution. Of course, we're using a piece cleaner today. Safe for kids, safe for pets. That's why we're using it here. And a lot of people, when you see this stuff, you're gonna like, oh wow, you're not using any hoses or anything. Well, just like, you know, technology advances, so does the cleaning industry. I'll give you an example. Me, I was a 90s baby growing up, so I had the Nokia phone. After that, I had the Nokia phone. We had what else do we have? We had the Razor, and then after the Razor, we had, you know, the iPhone. And then so just telling you how, you know, technology advances from all these different phones. And so the same thing in the carpet cleaning industry. So stay tuned with us as we go ahead and get to it. All right, so I got my floor sprayed here, and now I am coming along and doing my cleaning here. We're using an Orbiter, which is a mini 175. Some people are like, what's a 175? A 175 is a machine that has 175 rotations in under a minute, okay, in 1 minute. So this thing is spinning pretty quick, pretty fast. It's doing a nice scrub, all right? Like I said, it's a little mini 175 machine, all right? We also use this machine on stripping and waxing to get around those toilets, those hard areas too. So just give me an FYI on that. Well, as you can see, very simple process using the piece cleaner. We've been doing the center here for about 4 years now, okay? And it keeps us busy, we keep them busy, and we are good to go. Now, I'll let you see the next one I'm going to do. These carpets aren't that bad to me because they're the infant rooms. So use a lot of mats and stuff. I'll show you the toddler room. That has a little bit more of a couple stains on there, a little bit dirtier. All right, you can see we got this yellow one here. I already pre-sprayed it. You see that's a lot vibrant, more bright, all right? And then this is it here, at the south here. So we got some stains here. Look at those stains going, right? Look at that, vibrant. It's more alive. Looks really, really good. All right. Now we're gonna finish up with this rug here, and we're heading out. All right, Brandon would be clean. We're all finished. Carpets are vibrant. Stains are gone. Right. They're looking very, very good. Okay. So we're heading out here. It's Sunday, Father's Day. Came out here early, and I'm gonna head out here and enjoy the town. Stay tuned, and of course, hit a like and subscribe, and also comment what you like to see and how we can improve our videos. Thank you. I always like to show here in our video that our logo does have a meaning. If you've seen the video in the beginning, the dove brings it back. Olive branch represents peace and also a new beginning. The carpet wand is actually what I started with 5 years ago. So you got your carpet wand and your peace symbol. So every time we're cleaning someone's home, we're coming in your home with peace, all right? We're giving you a peace of mind. You don't know us, we don't know you, but we're coming in there representing peace and give you some fresh new beginnings.